Welcome to the MS SQL Server interview series. I'm your host, and today we'll be diving into impact of clustered versus non-clustered indexes on data operations with MS SQL Server expert. Let's get started with this technical interview discussion. Let's talk about the impact of clustered versus non-clustered indexes on insert, update, and select performance. Can you give me a simple example to support your explanation?
Sure. So basically, a clustered index sorts and stores the data rows of the table based on the index key, which affects how data is physically ordered. Non-clustered indexes, on the other hand, maintain a separate structure from the data rows. Well, yeah, insert operations can be slower on clustered indexes because they might need to reorder the data. For select queries, a clustered index is usually faster if you're retrieving a range of data. In my last project, we optimized a customer database by using a clustered index on the customer ID, which significantly improved select query performance. However, we had to balance it with non-clustered indexes for reporting queries to ensure the performance wasn't hampered.
That's interesting. How did you determine which columns should have non-clustered indexes?
Actually, that's a great question. We analyzed the query execution plans and identified columns frequently used in where clauses or as join keys. This analysis helped us decide where non-clustered indexes would provide the most benefit. For instance, in the same project, we found that indexing on email addresses, a commonly searched field, improved performance for specific user search queries.
Can you come again with your answer? I'd like to understand the performance trade-offs you encountered in more detail.
Sure, let me dive deeper. So, while non-clustered indexes were great for select operations, we noticed a slight overhead during inserts and updates because every index needs to be updated. To be honest, the key thing was balancing the read and write performance. We used the database engine tuning advisor to simulate different index configurations and observed the impact on response times. This way, we made informed decisions about which indexes to implement and which to avoid based on our workload.
That sounds comprehensive. How did you handle index maintenance to ensure optimal performance?
Right, so we implemented regular index maintenance tasks, like rebuilding and reorganizing indexes, which was crucial to keep fragmentation low. We scheduled these during off-peak hours to minimize disruption. Additionally, we monitored index usage stats to identify and remove unused indexes, thus reducing unnecessary overhead.
Great. Thank you for sharing those insights from your project experience. That covers index performance comprehensively. Thank you for watching this interview discussion. I hope you found it helpful for your interview preparation and career growth. For more technical interview questions and content, please follow the Clear Tech Interviews channel. Good luck with your interviews.